Okay, went and got some packs on a windy day for a trippy challenge with the 75. Let's see if I can do it. A couple of minutes ago I did it with the 65, but my 65 having a problem. So let's see how much power this battery has, how much charge. Alright, this charge is good. Let's go. Alright, what is going on? It's a very windy day, man. Oh yes, I was able to do it with a 75. Ooh yeah, booyaka, booyaka, they come straight to ya. Woohoo, was able to do it with a 75. Like a wildcat. Let me see if I can go to the logo. Wildcat. Wildcat. There you go, the logo. And I'm going back to my spot before my battery dies in the air. Let the air take me for a little bit. And I'm back. Up. Oops. The wind is so strong it knocked my back out. Alright, 340, I'm coming back. Oh my god, I can't even land. It's so windy I can't even land. Alright, let's land it. Done. Hopefully we were able to catch it on the video. Yeah. Did it. Now let's look out right now. 75 trippy on a windy day, very windy day.